You rolled out CyberArk, the vault is online, policies are configured, the go-live email went out. But 6 months later, admins are still RDPing indirectly, sharing local passwords, and treating the vault as a compliance checkbox. A live deployment and an adopted deployment are not the same thing. In the next few minutes, we're breaking down the 3 most common reasons privileged users root around a technically working PAM platform, and what actually fixes each one. This isn't a niche problem. CyberArk's own research found that only 1% of organizations have fully implemented just-in-time privileged access. 91% still run at least half their privileged access, as always on and standing, and under half apply the same controls to AI agents and service accounts that they apply to human admins. So, if your deployment looks like this, it's not your tooling, it's adoption. Let's break down the 3 reasons that happens. The first reason is pure friction. Before PAM, an admin opened a terminal and connected directly. 1 step, 5 seconds. After an untuned rollout, that same task means logging into a separate portal, requesting the account, waiting on dual control approval, launching a session in the browser, and re-authenticating after a timeout. When the secure path is 5 times slower than the familiar one, admins quietly route around it. And that's not malice, it's rational behavior under a deadline. Second reason, the vault isn't the only path in. Local admin accounts, break glass credentials checked out once and never rotated back, and undocumented exceptions all bypass the vault completely. They're unrotated, unlogged, and often forgotten by the security team, but not by the admins who use them, because they're faster. As long as a working bypass exists, it will get used, no matter how good the vaulted path looks on paper. Third reason, and it's less about resistance and more about scope. Most rollouts vault human admin accounts first, and treat machine identities as a later phase that never quite arrives. Service accounts, CI, CD secrets, and now AI agent credentials keep running on static, unmanaged passwords outside the vault. So even a well-adopted human rollout can leave the majority of an organization's actual privilege footprint completely uncovered. So what actually closes the gap? 3 matching fixes. First, cut checkout down to 2 steps by using native RDP and SSH connectors with pre-approved policies so the secure path is as fast as the old one. Second, kill the bypass. Discover every local admin and break glass account, vault it and alert on any privileged login happening outside the platform. Third, extend scope to machines. Service accounts, pipeline secrets, and AI agent credentials all need to be in rotation, not just human logins. None of this needs new licensing. It needs adoption treated as a design requirement from day one. Bottom line, live is a status, adoption is a design choice. If your rollout is technically complete but practically ignored, an architecture review almost always turns up one of these 3 gaps. Checkout friction, bypass paths, or non-human identity scope within the first hour.